In the bathroom, so much limescale. Wow, how to remove it? Limescale caused by the hot water, the mineral inside. And after a long time, they stay on the glass. Especially in the bottom part of the bathroom. You see how to remove it. The limescale here, that is before. And this is after. Wow, after this is so clear, amazing. You see? Wow, so clear. I can look through the glass inside. No scale anymore. It's fabulous. We can buy this simple green limescale remover. Spray on it. And then rub it. After that, still some limescale there. On the bottom part here, I try to use this. It looks better, but you see, still have some. Maybe on the other side. We try inside. I spray it here. You can hear that it's very rough. You can see limescale still here. And here, rub it. It looks better because it's wet, but the limescale, you can hear that still here. So what can we do? The more effective way is use this. It's a very sharp edge here. You can apply it. So you see the limescale here and here. You can apply it around at 45 degrees or even less, like that. You do it up and down. When you do it in the right angle, you won't scratch the glass, but don't do it on a sideways. It may scratch the glass. All the limescale here at this area, when you use this, you can see the scale comes off. And we keep doing that. The angle is about this angle. I find that not 45, not even 30, but about like this, 20, I guess, maybe 30, 25, something like that. You can feel it when you do that. The scale comes off. It is slower, and you can hear the sound. When you hear this, this is good, and this one become very smooth. You see, wow. It's after. It's like that. There's nothing here. Scale still here. Do here. Wow. So when you hear the sharp noise, the angle probably is not right. Okay, so we can feel it. can see, so many things comes off, and this area is very good. And let me show you here. You see all here is very smooth. You don't hear the scratching noise anymore. And all the lime scale here, you just rinse it. Very easy. So you probably can do this after, and before that is like this. But we know you can use this very effectively. It doesn't cost much in a tool shop or even in a farmland, somewhere like that. Thank you for watching. Hope you subscribe. I will do more video for anything repair or manage the house. See you. Thank you.